The lang attribute indicates the language of the text in the element to which it is attached. So identifying the language of content is increasingly important as browsers adapt styling and other aspects of the user's experience according to the language of the content. So for example, if you create a page in Japanese, so the browser will automatically um, apply a font that produces Japanese shapes for the characters. So rather than Chinese shapes. But only if you have told it that your content is in Japanese. So various presentational aspects also require a knowledge of the language of the content. For example, CSS will style content differently for line breaking, hyphenation, and text transforms, depending on the declared language. Other features such as spell checking and voice browsers for visually challenged people also work differently according to which language the content is in. So the value of a lang attribute must be a language tag that is composed of one or more subtags defined in the IANA language subtag registry. So you can check this out. So multiple subtags are separated by hyphens. So you should always declare the language of your page. In the HTML tag. So like this. So you can also declare a language of content within a page by attaching a lang attribute to an element that contains it. So that is only specific to this element. So example in this for these two examples, so the first one shows that shows how you can qualify the language English with a region subtag GB to specify British English. So this distinction can be useful for spell checking your source. So you can also add other subtags such as scripts and variant labels to further refine the language. So however, the golden rule is to always keep the lang value as short as possible and only use additional subtags such as this one when you have a good reason. So in the second example, it shows how you could specify a change of language within a document. So this would help a voice browser pronounce the French word chats correctly. So meaning cats. So and not chats in English. So since you specify that the language should be in French for this specific content.